Okay, so we just finished laying ourselves a cable, right? And our main thing now is to go into the concrete plant, and we have built a bridge, so we can get in there. But we also have this. We gotta deliver an object from the gas station to the construction depot to get it working. And I'm thinking that all of these places which I have not unlocked or whatever yet, I should go over there and try to do something about, because they probably give me side missions. And I like side missions, side missions are fun. The Voron, get out there, you're a good truck. You do good work. We route failed. I don't have a route. How can I fail a route when I don't have a route? Anyway, other than doing what we're doing right now, because that obviously it needs to be done, there is also another this radio tower, and perhaps now I already have it reconnected to the network of electricity, but maybe we could turn it on again. Maybe we just have to go there and step out and just be like, switch on, and then it'll just be done. Who knows? We've been driving past this road for a long time and we never actually went up it. So let's go up it. See what's going on up here. So that's a little substation over there. Interesting. And the main thing we gotta see up here, okay, we probably need to get like metal beams or whatever up here. Seems like, because the radio tower is broken. Get some all-wheel drive action on there. Can I do something for you? Looks like the answer is no. Alright, I tried. If you wanted me to go and get you some steel pipes, I would have gotten it for you. We could repair this thing. Apparently you're just not interested though, so whatever. I don't know. If it is visible on the map, at least have like a little tag over there to be like, hey man, maybe go visit this place. There's a mission here. That would be nice. That would help me out quite a bit. But hey, maybe they don't actually want to help me out a little bit. Guess I did think about that. Maybe they, on purpose, they want you to have to actually go there and see for yourself if there is something worth your time. And maybe there is, maybe there isn't, man. You gotta go figure it out. They don't want to do everything for you. Yes. I know this was pretty bad before, but this isn't a default truck, man. This is a good truck. Well, that is quite the thing. Okay. I have anchors set up. I also did forget a little bit of how bad this crane was. Well, it's not bad, I suppose. It's slow. Okay. Okay. Strapped it up. There you go. Now it's a very, very complicated looking control panel. I don't know if we really need so many controls on the control panel, but it's there. I'm making my way over. It's really a very short delivery, but you know, suppose somebody has to do it still. Can't really expect somebody to walk it all the way there. That's not really how it works. Alright, well, I don't know how to do this, but okay, got it. Turn it around. Done. We covered the construction deep. It's freaking transformed. We transformed it and then welded it up. It's open for business.
Great work. Now we have our very own supply depot.
Construction depot, you mean? Construction. They buy and sell resources at this building. For cash? This is a construction depot. Here you can purchase and sell resources. You can also sell rubble that is highlighted in yellow. This kind of rubble cannot be recycled, can only be sold. Purchased resources will spawn in the yellow area, deposit resources or rubble into the green area to sell. Well, that's something, isn't it? I can use that. Open the shop. Okay, so we have prices for everything. You can buy all sorts of crap. Okay, turns out this place is worse than I thought. Alright, well, I'll be happy to get out of here then. Now, let me head to the roadside base. Yep, that's right. I'm gonna head to the roadside base. It's actually a good idea. We can switch on all-wheel drive while we are picking up speed, and then once we have the speed, we just switch it off. That's fun. Obviously, we keep the keep AWD on. We keep a differential lock on because that will allow us to not get stuck in the mud as much. Still a chance, but it's less. Like the big tires over there, that's yellow. Yellow means we can sell it. We go this way, and we see that path over there. Should take us where we need to go. Another base for us. Don't know why it's not active yet. I wonder, but I never visited it.
This place isn't too shabby, is it?
Nope.
Still, the locals are loaning it out, so don't break anything.
It's just, is it just working? No, convert local garage into a base. Store some steel beams. Look, field work is tough without a proper base. The locals will lend you the garage. It's prime real estate amidst all the chaos. Equip it with the essentials, pool some resources together, and you'll have yourself a roadside base. Just remember, you'll owe them one. Well, I helped them out a lot, so, you know, they owe me one already. Steel beams, right over there. Okay. Let's go make us 4 steel beams, because right now we have 0. That's sad. That saddens me to hear. But we are in the right vehicle to collect resources to make this, to rectify this situation, let's say. So let's get rectifying, bro. That's a lot of yellow tires, huh? This area is not good for trucks. So, 4 trucks probably means 8 pieces of rubble, maybe more. We're gonna try and avoid big ones. Ideally, what we really want Okay. It's not my fault that battles are just the best. Okay, that'll keep us in place. Okay. What are you? Why can I grab you? Can I recycle this? I don't know. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 barrels right now. So let's grab one of these. I know they're not as effective for sure, but it's a honking piece of metal, that's for sure. That being said, I ain't grabbing no car. you go. How many do I even need? I'm grabbing so many. We need 4. I think I'll be able to get 4 for this. We'll probably grab that one too, right? It can't be that bad. There you go. Just a little bit of metal. There is a shortcut. If you're confident enough to take it. And you know me and confidence. I am very confident. Until I fail. Then I become less confident. But until I fail, you know, I'm the most confident guy you'll ever see. Alright. This is all without AWD or anything, by the way. So, doing pretty well, all things considered. Also, I believe the dumb part is, well, okay, this is not dumb, but then we will have to take these resources and actually transfer them to our base ourselves. So I suppose we should be ready for that too. But we keep on keeping on, like they say in Death Stranding. Another really good game. I did enjoy Death Stranding a lot. Very meditative, I'll call it. Call it a meditative game. Okay, one of these. Yeah, this way. And one of these places leads to the where I need to go. It's this area. So I shall do so. Smashing any logs I see along the way. Do not come here to parley with the trees. Oh, there's a smashed up car just lying here. Probably just recycle that. Is this not the... This is not the steel beams facility. I see. Maybe I should have come here first though, because there's a ton of scrap just lying here. Look at all that metal. It's fine though, I got a bunch of metal in my bed. Now, where do you want this? Right over there. Take it all. Boom. You can get 5 steel beams. We're also gonna take this thing with us. Why? I don't know, cause it looks cool, I guess. I don't think it has any real value, but oh god. Down you go. Okay. Okay. Now that we have these, should be a relatively easy trip back. Yo, okay, I just bought these steel beams. Bought, is a weird word to use there, but whatever. I recycled and I created these steel beams. Why the heck are they rusted already? Did you give me old steel beams you had lying in storage or something? Are these usable steel beams? I isn't steel, I guess stainless steel doesn't rust. Steel maybe can rust, I don't know how it works. Whatever, as long as it provides strength. That is weird. It's been a while since I drove on this road. This was the first road I made in this area. I think, maybe? I don't remember. Whatever the case may be. We are to our garage. This will unlock us another garage, which will make life a lot easier, I would say. And I would be right, I think, to say that. Now I have this toy. I don't know what to do with this toy. Maybe I can put it in the garage and it turns into something. Maybe I get the actual vehicle if I can bring the toy back. That would be kind of insane, huh? Maybe that'll work though. Who knows? You never know in this topsy-turvy world. Oh, I remember this place. I harvested. I stole so much stuff from it to turn into metal. Slabs. Look at that. Some treads lying there and a whole lot of metal I have not, used yet. I feel good about that. Maybe I get a big vehicle with a magnet on top. I can just grab everything and dump it all in. Wouldn't that be something? That would be fun. Alright, resource depositor. I have a bunch of resources for you. Now I gotta go back and actually turn it into a base, I guess. Or just transfer resources. Prime location like this is well worth the trouble. There you go. It is now a base.
Another base up and running. You have the
Resources
locals
spent
to
on the
thank for
task.
that.
I mean, I gave them the stuff, but sure, whatever you say. And then we have a river base. The western radio tower we could not do anything about. Let's head to the construction depot. Replace the pipes. tell you what. Refuel. Grab a steel pipe. You know we need it. Dump it in. There you go. Make sure my little car back there is also secured. I don't know what to do with this car. I'm just carrying it around, but I have it, and I'm not giving it up. It's mine now, so I'll be holding on to it. What's probably going to happen is it's going to get sold at a facility in which you can sell stuff. I do have one of those. One of those is available to me, so I will hand it over as in exchange for monetary returns. If you're willing to give me that, you may have this toy truck that has survived a storm. I don't know, you can sell it like a good luck charm or something. It is a survivor. Okay, we go this way. I know, the location is over there. I'm well aware. Just gotta get to the gas station first. It's a lot more immersive to play like this, huh? A lot easier to get confused too about what the hell you're doing. Oh, we're not going up there. 1 second. Just had to go through. Whatever. This road is, it's made for this very purpose. And this sand path as well. Okay, we started up this can also sell rubble. I have this. I don't know if you guys want it or what, but there it is. They don't want it? What the hell am I supposed to do with this then? Well then it's actually just trash. Is it just a collectible? Is there a special station I can go to convert these into real things? I do not know. Any of these things could be true, and I wouldn't know. Simply would not know. Okay, well, in any case, the trip was not wasted obviously because I bought What you guys? A steel pipe that has to be repaired. It's part of the infrastructure objective. And I got to use this bridge for the first time. Wow. So cute. Alright, where exactly does this pipe replacement need to happen? It is over there anyway. Okay. So same place where I gotta clear stuff out. Old cars. Hard, wait, 5. There you go. Okay. I get a feeling that a natural crane would be better for this. I can try, I just doesn't seem like it would be a very smart thing to do. Okay. This arm kinda sick though. Arm kinda does good work. Anyway, the last of the objects that I'm supposed to clear out is this vehicle. We'll grab it and then we're gonna pull you off so you're no longer getting in the way. Done.
I suppose it's about time we got that power supply going.
It's already done.
Installing the power cable should be pretty straightforward now that you've cleared out the trees. But there's one catch. Since it's concrete we're talking here, we can't have the mixer stop once the process is started. This means that we need not only a new power cable, but a backup power source too, in case something goes haywire. Luckily,
Backup?
there's one at the transformer station. So, you can fetch it when you're done installing the power cable, or the other way around. Create your own destiny.
Well, I did install a power cable. I did do that. Solid grounds ready to charge into battle. The last piece of the puzzle is the power source. That's why we are asking you to bring a backup battery and lay down cable from the transformer station to the concrete plant. Then we'll see what it's capable of. Deliver object from the transformer station. The concrete slabs facility will be restored. Everything is done except, of course, This is a river base. I need to see about that one. What are you? The hell is this? There's just a truck sitting there. Okay, the problem that I'm facing is a pretty big one. For now, I think I'll just finish this mission first. We do also need to get to the other side. What's it called? I forget. The other base that we have, and unlock that as well, because that's probably another side quest. I wanted to check how many side quests they believe is remaining. Based on that, I can make a decision about what has to be done and what hasn't have to be done and whatever. If they say we need concrete slabs, then I know I'm in the right place. Because the concrete slabs need to come from this area first. Can't believe I can't sell this stupid thing. It wouldn't have any other use. Sell all. Okay, no, not that's all I have in storage, I'm guessing. So we don't want to do that. Obviously. Okay, so we gotta get over there. The transformer station. Multiple different ways we can do this. We can do it the safe way or the hard way. I like the safe way. It's usually safer. No duh. But you know what? I'm here. I'm feeling frisky. Why not? Let's go see if we can restore this other base or this garage or not. Can have all the garages going together, you know? Who knows? Maybe it'll have something that we can actually use for once. It's possible. Is it likely? No, but it is possible. Nobody can deny the possibility. Yeah, I remember I sent my freaking grinder in here to just destroy all the obstacles on the path. Could build another bridge there. No real point, honestly. I can just use this one. I mean, I guess for the route there is a point. Okay. Obviously we never actually did anything here. Hate that exists, but it does. What are you gonna do? Then, if you continue on from here, there is a river base. Who knows? Might be useful in the future to have said river base up and running. Just because it's not required by law, don't mean we shouldn't do it. It's infrastructure. It's on a prime route.
Just there near the river should be a good place to set up your base of operations. In the meantime, We're being asked to do some quick repairs on the building so that it doesn't fall apart. Just gather the resources and get it over with. You know better than me by now.
What do they need? 5. And we need concrete slabs. We believe it's time to expand our influence to the north of Eden Valley. Let's collect some materials and plan a route for the convoy. Oh, to set up a new river base. You never know when access to water might come in handy. Yeah. Sure. Then you have the backup power transformer. Never actually been there either. And I guess we need more steel beams, a lot of them. So there is that. Now I am going to we need to get over there. The closest one of course is the roadside base. And we can retain our vehicle here now. And then just boop, pop down over there, grab it, and then do what we do best, brother. We do have a lot of money. Okay, next time we have to build a road or lay cables or something, we can buy a special purpose vehicle that does a good job at that one thing. Okay, at the end of this, if possible. Sorry about that. It's a little hard to control the gradient descent. But this is definitely a road, you know. Is it a nice usable one? No, but it is a road. They put on all our off-roading features and we can drive through it. However slow that might be. Alright, old backup generator. Okay. Okay, how the hell do I deal with this? Lower. But even all the way down, it still hits the edge. Well, you know what? This is dissatisfying to me. I'm guessing it can fit perfectly in there. This is just bad. Okay, this is crazy way of transporting it. Okay, maybe a little push will do it now. Okay, maybe I should not have done this. Well, that's what I have trying to be perfect with everything. Come on. You know what? Use your anchors to push you up. There you go. Now. Come on. Good enough. Is it made to carry this and this should be a perfect spot to carry it? Yes. Am I gonna find it right now? No, I'm just gonna go. This trip is going to be hard enough. Even without worrying about this shit. Okay. Yeah, well, it's strapped on tight, so ain't nothing gonna happen to this. With a little bashed up when I deliver it, then I don't know, man. You got engineers, repair the damn thing. Because guess what? It's probably going to be bashed up. It's probably going to be very bashed up. This thing did not come easy into the night. This thing fought. Just using every tool I have in the toolbox to get this to where it needs to go. If for nothing else, then so I don't have to do this again. That's motivation enough for me right now. L-Tech ass giant container. I think for this it would have been nicer to get another crane. Usually I try to avoid another crane. I mean, I bought this truck because I didn't want to do one with, you know, two cranes. But oh, you know what actually? But those are grabbers. Dead end. I could try moving it with this big crane. Well, that didn't work. Well, great. Good job. Good job, by the way. Great job. Okay, let's get a better grip on this bad boy. Okay, it's even worse than before, but too bad. Too bad. So sad. I don't care. Oh god. This is what this road was for. So I could carry this horrible load. Surely one of these places has a proper carrier so I could load this thing, you know, correctly. Because right now it's just hanging out. Without a care in the world, it's there. Any second now it could just fall out and, you know, Nothing can stop it from doing that. If it chooses to fall, it's going to fall. So let's hope it's not gonna do that. And let's hope that wooden ass bridge can take the weight. Oh, little bump on the road there. Don't worry too much about that. Just keep it going. There you go. We're over the bridge. That was the scary part. All we gotta do is get to a spot somewhere. Not here. Like I said, it's somewhere. Okay, we're trying to figure it out. Okay, I see. We're in the wrong place. That's another building. Okay, we are apparently there. We have entered the facility. And we have visual on where this thing has to go. Oh, there you go. Restore concrete production. Concrete slab facility ready. Machines whirring, mixers stirring. This isn't just about concrete, it's about rebuilding possibilities, one foundation after another.
Not bad at all. The concrete plant's power woes are finally over. It's ready for its grand reopening, courtesy of your efforts. Well, maybe not so grand. But still, the only thing left to do is start delivering the concrete slabs. Plot a route from the concrete plant to the warehouse nearby.
Okay. Do we have concrete? We have more bridges. We can now build a concrete bridge. I see, I see. Plan logistics to relaunch concrete production. The whole Eden operation relies on the availability of basic resources. Now it's time to provide a continuous concrete supply. Plan a route for delivery. Then we'll watch the place spring back into life. Gears grinding and wheels turning. Make a route. Or just... Oh, that's easy, I think. Yeah, just like... That's a big ass hole, huh? Alright, just like there, and then I guess that's why we cleared out this area. And then, oh, maybe L, get that out of there. Maybe we go from here, 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 and here. Let's have a look. I can get 5 concrete slabs. We do need 5 concrete slabs for a for one of our thing. So let's watch this bad boy get delivered. Okay, maintain straight routing over those fallen fencing or whatever. So well, this will be enough concrete slabs to make our new base by the river. A little bump, just a little bump, no problem. That's more than a little bump. Yeah, that's not gonna do. Cancel. Okay, did not realize The piping over there was out in the open. There you go. The adjusted route should give you much easier time of it. Yeah, but we're breaking that. Oh, okay. Now then we're gonna break that log. No, we're not. We're staying, bro. Okay, thank God. I was like, we're staying away. We're still quite close, but we are far enough away that it is not that big of a deal. Once we have passed this, we make our way to ye old warehouse. There you go, nice solid turn. Can drive our ass straight in. Why is it red? Oh, we got another one coming in. There you go. Remaining reward 5 concrete slabs. Done. Plan logistics to relaunch concrete production. We're still gonna get 5. Okay, we
Well
haven't gotten any
done.
yet.
Now
Yep,
we have a steady supply of concrete. No need to
little
cut the
bit of.
ribbon. Though, if you find one, you're welcome to do so. Now that you've restarted the relay, its transmitters have enough power to let us talk anywhere. But
Yeah, we can
we've got to
talk.
restore the whole system to provide reliable coverage for everyone.
I think
Our
I've done that
workers need
already.
equipment. And I know just where to get it. When the
Maybe not.
hurricane hit the eastern quarry, they evacuated, leaving behind a whole bunch of climbing equipment. I know you're
Climbing.
just itching to check it out, so I won't stop you. And if the equipment's still there, take it to the workshop. That's not all, though. We have the tower frame ready at the steel mill, but
Yep.
guess what? Yep. We'll need a road to transport it from the steel beams facility to the workshop. And while you're at it, set a route to deliver the radio electronics there as well.
Alright, we have a lot of... Yo, steel beams to workshop gives us 12. Bro, that's... I don't know if that's easy. I did not realize there was a workshop here. Transport the tower frame to the workshop. Okay. I built this road here a long time ago. Did not realize it would be so vital to the effort. Okay. I myself have never really been up here, but let's get those vehicles going. We want steel beams. Transport tower frame to the workshop. We managed to build a solid tower frame inside the steel mill. Now it's time to bring it to the workshop for some fine tuning. Tower frame. Plan the road and figure out a direct route from the steel beams facility to the tower. This tower frame needs to reach its destination safely. Okay. Well, we have made a road for this very purpose. Apparently, I didn't know this was the purpose. But yeah, it is a tower frame. I don't know. Okay, guys, then we gotta go from the workshop to the relay or whatever. But we're trying to bring back communications. That's our big goal here. To restore communications, because we're incommunicado. So for that, we have to get all the resource buildings ready, which they now are. Now it's time to actually start using them. Getting this output to the useful deliverers to actually make something out of these. That's a big rock. I didn't realize it would be. Okay, thank God. Yeah, pretty uneventful trip. A little bit of a steep incline. Okay, I'm gonna cancel this route because you may not see it, but this route has a problem. Let's see. Did not realize the road could be too steep to operate. So we're gonna take a much bigger circle to try and get to a less steep area. And that should allow us to... What the hell do you mean you can't climb this? It's not that hard. Okay, well I guess it is too hard for them. They can't do it. Okay, so we're gonna redo this route. We're gonna take a different approach to this whole thing. It's going to be quite a horrible turn. I'll tell you that much. It's not going to be easy. But apparently that road it's too slippery. They can't travel up it for whatever ungodly reason. Okay, even here you're struggling, huh? There you go, but you got enough traction to go. Yep, I don't know, it's censored, I guess. There you go. Much better. Little bit of a struggle there, but it's a nice gentle incline here. We're trying to avoid the big rocks there, that's why we have to go a little bit off road. But this road looks like it will work. Seems like it anyway. Can never really be sure. There's some more stones over there. Okay, we kind of shimmied past it, no problem at all. Don't you dare get stuck. It's getting stuck. Now it's getting stuck here. They're pushing each other. Only one of those is left. River base to northern tunnel. I think they are making progress. It is just it's okay. No, they are reversing. Yeah. It's finding it too steep. Let's try and do a zigzag strategy. Don't know if that works. But I feel like what the hell is wrong with you? Okay, then I guess clear the route. I guess I have to go from here now, and I hope to hell that at least that route works. If that doesn't work, then I'm in trouble. Okay, because that's my good route, and I know this route works. Okay, don't tell me it doesn't work. I will not be happy if you say that. But this looks like freaking sand again. It's all gonna get stuck. I really hope they don't. That's all I have to say about that. I hope they don't. Vehicles are just very weak. They're just not very good. Not very good trucks. I have to comment. Could be a lot better. Could I pay a lot of money and make them all-wheel drive at least? Just even that addition would allow them to, you know, climb a little, which is important considering the kind of terrain we're working with. Sometimes you gotta climb up an incline. And, you know, if a truck just gives up and says nope, it's not really a very suitable truck, now is it? Keep it going, full speed ahead. Just hit that gas. Literally nothing is on the road. You can just go. That water is just a puddle. Just splash through. There you go, good. It's a wash for your tires. It's a bit of a tire wash. Okay, now the turn. This is new area for me. I've never been here, so you gotta tell me how that's like. It's sandy. Which really slows down our vehicles again. Because they got no traction. But again, as long as we are making slow but steady progress, it should be fine. Once our tires get on more solid ground, we should just pop off and go. Okay, leave everything else behind. Just pop off and go. Okay, bit of an incline here, but there you go. We can power through that a little bit. Bit of a muddy road here, but we're moving ever so slowly, but we are. Nope, we're stuck again. Bloody hell, game. We are able to push through that. We are not able to climb this incline though. So none of the routes until now have worked. That's what you have to say to me. So I should come down here and just dump sand everywhere to get this to work. That's good. That's great. That's great for me. Bring climbing equipment to the workshop. We have got a lead that some mineral mineral researches were conducted inside the eastern quarry just before the hurricane hit. All machinery and climbing equipment, including safety harnesses, ropes, and crampons, were left right there during the evacuation. That's exactly what we are looking for. Find the container with climbing equipment in the quarry and deliver it right to the workshop. Okay, that's the workshop, I'm guessing. That's fine. And set up a route to deliver radio electronics to the workshop. In order to raise a powerful communication tower and get through the static, we'll have to incorporate radio electronics into its frame. We can borrow all of the required components from the relay. Set up a route from there right to the workshop, and the trucks will there in a jiffy. Relay and workshop. Oh, from relay to workshop. God damn it. Yeah, so this route is going to be doubly used. Because again, I tried this route as well. They can't go through here because they get stuck on this incline. And they can't go here because they get stuck on this freaking incline. And there's not even a damn road there. Alright, lots of work to do. See you in the next one.